In this tutorial, we are going to see SUMIF function in Excel. SUMIF function totals the cells that meets a condition. Let's write it here equal to SUMIF. There are total 3 arguments: range, criteria and sum range. So first is range. So range can be a column or row on which you want to apply the condition. Second argument is criteria. Criteria is condition. Let's say greater than 500. You have to write condition or criteria in double quotes. So what I have written here is greater than 500. If cell value is greater than 500, then only do the sum. So sum if greater than 500 in this range. Output is 2472. Addition of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how basically it works. Now what if I want to take the criteria value from other cell? I'm typing here 500, and now here in our formula I'll remove 500, and out of double quotes I'll write ampersand, that is and I will refer it to that cell, that is G2, and then I'll press the enter. So it will work the same way. Now let me tell you that if you don't know what is this is a logical operator. So now let's try less than. So it will change the total now. It's 879 now because it is adding 1, 2, 3, that is cells with less than 500. Now I'll show you the third argument. Now let's type here SUMIF. So now range is not this. Okay, this time range is this because I want to apply the criteria on this range. That is because I want to do cell sum if it is for fruit. I'll write here fruit, comma sum range, the third argument. Sum range is now this. If you don't specify the sum range, it will automatically consider the first range as sum range. 1195, that is addition of 1, 2, 3. So these 3 are cells of fruit. I'll give you one more example. Let's type again SUMIF, then range is now this. For example, I want to find out sum of cells if it is not on credit. So in this column, as you can see, if it is on credit, there is X. So this cells is on credit. But I want to find out sum of cells those are not on credit. So in criteria, now I'll just type double quotes, nothing in it. So that is empty cell, and then sum range. Now what is sum range? Sum range is this because I want to sum from this range, and I'll complete the bracket and then I'll press the enter. 1595 is the sum of the cells which are not on the credit. Okay, so that's how this formula works with the sum range, that is third argument. You can also use wildcards in this formula. Let me show you how. SUMIF. So the range is this. See that I'm using wildcards. So my condition is B star and double quotes complete. So what does this mean? That means do the sum if text starts from B. So now it will give me the sum of the cells of broccoli and banana and beans also. Okay, so let's try it out. Third argument is sum range. So I'll select this and then I'll press the enter. See, 1991 is cells sum of broccoli, banana, beans. I just know that it starts from B. I don't know what is after B. So in that case you can use wildcards. Remember that this function only supports one condition or one criteria. If you want to use multiple criteria, you can use sum if yes. We'll see that function in the next video. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.